guys, Marc here. Hey guys, Marc here. I'm up in Effie, Minnesota. I'm grooming snowmobile trails with the Marcel Snowdrifters Club. We do winter gig. Having a good time, putting a lot of hours in. But I gotta tell you, man, I'm still getting sore and stiff, just like I did when I was driving. Here's the answer right here. Stiff mother trucker. This stuff works so good. It's all natural. I never go out without it. You just do a quick little shot. Get it on the back of my neck. Oh boy, I'm telling you, it's almost instant. It's not greasy. It absorbs really fast. And it really does almost instantly give you some relief. It feels great. Make sure you give it a try. You can find it anywhere online there. stiffmothertrucker.com/Marc Springer. You can also find it at all the Love's truck stops around the country. Make sure you get some. Have a good one.